Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about OnlineJobs.ph, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you pause or unpublish a job posting in OnlineJobs.ph? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to pause a job posting in OnlineJobs.ph anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're doing some hiring through OnlineJobs.ph, you know that the amount of responses you get can be overwhelming. So maybe it's better to go ahead and pause that job listing. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your OnlineJobs.ph account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my OnlineJobs.ph account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to pause one of your job postings, here on the top right, you're going to click on account. Once you do that, you're going to click here on job post. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of your job posts you have on OnlineJobs.ph. So go ahead and scroll down until you see the job posting you want to go ahead and pause. Okay, so here is one of my postings right here. You can see these ones have been paused, but this one is active. Now, in order to pause it, all you're going to do is go ahead and click on the arrow next to the active button. All right, once you click there, you're going to see this little pause button pop up. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. You'll see a green pop up. It goes by pretty quick, confirming that job has been paused. Now, if you know you're not going to use this job posting again in OnlineJobs.ph, you can go ahead and delete it here. But if you want to start taking in new applicants at a later date, possibly, I would recommend go ahead and pausing it instead of completely deleting it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to pause an OnlineJobs.ph job posting, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.